Hi there, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company. We're very excited to present to you another awesome prize for you guys to take part in. This is a 1979 Honda CBX 1000, super iconic bike with the 6-cylinder engine, all those 6 exhaust pipes going into 2. And this one can be won on our website for £2.99 plus £500, and the draw will take place on the 14th of December, and the draw will close at 10 p.m. So what I'll do now, show you around the bike and we'll start her up, see what you think. So this particular example was imported in 2015 and it's only showing just over 10,000 miles on the clock. It looks to have been fully restored since it's been imported. I wouldn't imagine it'd be in such good condition being original. It is fully cold, so we wanted to show you how well this one started being fully cold, because sometimes these can take a bit of warming up, but this particular example has been set up really well and the engine sounds great and flies like me at the moment. So yeah, what we'll do now, we'll show how to start it. So turn the key, which key on, make sure it's on run. We have a choke up here on the handlebars, which we pull round anti-clockwise, that turns that on. Fuel tap on the left hand side, not quite sure how much fuel there is in there, so I'll put on reserve. And there's only one fuel tap on the left hand side. No kick start, just a button here. So I like to pull the clutch in, probably just out of habit, and then press the button. There we are. So that's pretty good for a CBX 1000. So the last owners obviously looked after it very well, kept it serviced, all the carburetion's been set up really nicely. So we'll just go ahead and warm it up a bit now. Will splutter a little bit because it is cold, but I'll put the mic down by the exhaust so you can hear it. It is cold today, so that is just a bit of condensation. That will soon clear when the engine's warm. I think what we'll probably do is cut to when the bike is warm so you can really hear the sound of it when it's on full chat. So we'll see in a sec. So it's nice and warm now. As you can see, the condensation is cleared. We only warmed up for about another minute to 2 minutes since we paused the video. So yeah, it seems to be warmed up quite quick. Have a little listen. So there we are, that iconic sound of that 6-cylinder engine. It's like a little F1 car. If you fancy a ticket on this iconic machine, like I said, they're £2.99 on our website, the Classic Competition Company. And the draw will take place on the 14th of December, 10 p.m. on a Sunday it closes. If you do enter, thank you very much, and as always, good luck. One last listen. And a little listen to the engine. I can show you how quiet it is compared to the exhaust. Here we are, no nasty rattles or anything. Good luck.